Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to make a web page description in RocketCake. Now, what is a web page description? When we write a search word into a search engine, like pixels for example, it gives us a list of web pages it finds. Here is the first one. This is a paid advertisement. This one is pixels. Here we have pixels with an E instead of an I. And here is the website title. And this is the URL, which stands for Uniform Resource Locator. And then here is the description. In this case it says free stock photos you can use everywhere. Free for commercial use, no attribution required. Sounds good. If I look for 3 pictures, here they are. I can use it for anything, and I don't have to write on the web page that this picture is from this and this and made by this and this. So perfect. It makes me want to click on it. And it has the magic word free twice, and it's there in the website title also. So let's click on it. Here is the page. Let's right click on it, view page source, and here we see the description. Free stock photos you can use everywhere, free for commercial use, no attribution required. Now, how we do this in RocketCake? Let's go back to RocketCake. It gives us an index.html file. Let's preview it. Right click, view page source. It gives us a simple web page. Now here we can write a title for the website or the web page. So let's see, web page title. We can write keywords here. Keywords or key phrases like RocketCake website editor. Okay, let's preview it. View the page source. So here is the title, and here are the keywords. So how do we add a description? Let's right click on this index.html file, HTML code, and here we see this line with the keywords. Let's copy that and let's paste it into the header. Now instead of keywords, let's write description, and here we write our description. This is the description of your web page. Write something catchy to hook the searchers. And let's press an enter at the end. So it's here. Okay, preview. View the page source. So here we have the description. Here we have the title, and here we have the keywords. So this was simple. I will upload this file to the RocketCakeTutorials.com website, and you can download it from there. I hope you liked this tutorial. If so, I'm happy. Have a beautiful day. God bless you. Bye bye.